when you think about 5-liter Mustangs, you think about superchargers. And when you think about Mustang superchargers, you think about Procharger. Now, Eric, how long have you guys been making Mustang superchargers?
Well, we've been making them for 20 years. We actually started the company by putting superchargers on 5-liter Mustangs, and now we're still doing that same thing today.
So basically everything old is new again. We've got a new 5-liter Mustang. These Coyote engines really love power adders. Tell me a little bit about what you can do for somebody who's got one of these new 5.0 Coyotes.
Well, we started in the Coyotes through the 2011 to 14s. Well, just like Ford made improvements on the 15 and 16 cars, we've done the same thing with our supercharger kits. These things are coming out of the box, bolt-on ready, 300 horsepower gain. That is massive, massive power gains for something that you can buy, ship to your door, and install in your garage.
So now if I go out and buy this, I'm going to have to make a lot of runs to the parts store to get extra parts to finish the installation, right?
You will make 0 runs to the parts store. I think a lot of people are scared of that, but the fact of the matter is we spent a ton of time making this a truly do-it-yourself installation. Everything comes in the box that you'll need. The only thing you need to supply is a spot to do it in, like your garage, and a little small toolkit, like something you would carry in a truck or under your car seat. That's all the tools you need to put this kit on and add 300 horsepower.
And one of the things that you mentioned when we were talking earlier is that you guys didn't just design this kit and then move on to the next thing. You keep improving this.
Yes, absolutely. So over the course of, just like Ford updates the programming and things like that get better each year, this kit now comes with big 1,000cc injectors. We have a fuel pump booster. It comes with a different handheld programming device and more boost. We push the power levels all the way up to about 250, 275 to the tire and over 300 at the crankshaft.
Now, I know that Procharger is a big proponent of air-to-air intercooling. Now, what are the advantages of using that over some other system for intercooling for a street application?
Absolutely. Air-to-waters work great in a racing application, and everybody's known that for years. Air-to-air on the street's just a little more simple. There's no moving parts, and as long as you have a good core up front, you can get those inlet air temperatures down real close to ambient like we are on this S550 kit.
So if I start out with a stock engine and your system, and later on I want to upgrade to something because I've got a built motor, what's the upgrade path?
Well, for small changes, you can just do a pulley change to up the boost like a pound or two and stuff like that. However, if you're going to go to a built motor and big power down the road, you can start at the P1SC-1, and we have our new P1X head unit for more power, all the way up to an F1R head unit, good for about 1,200 or more horsepower.
All right, where can we get all this information online? Where can we find out about all this good stuff that Procharger's got?
Procharger.com, main website right there. Also Facebook.com/Procharger, as well as Instagram.
All right, here's what I want you to do. Open a new tab in your browser, go visit Procharger, and then come right back here because we got a whole bunch more stuff coming at you right from SEMA.